Students, I hope all are keeping well. I am B. Gayatri, Art Social Studies from Singaraikonda. Students, today we are learning about conventional symbols in first lesson, reading and analysis of maps. Students, already we learned in first 2 days what is a map and what is a photograph. What are the difference between a map and a photograph? Students, just we recall that topics. Observe the first picture. Students, this is a photograph. This photograph showing Africa, Europe and America. Second one is map. This is a map showing different continents, that is Africa, America and Europe continents. Different kinds of maps: physical maps, political maps and thematical maps. We will discussing about conventional symbols. A conventional symbol is a symbol that is widely accepted interpretation. The various features shown on a map are represented by conventional symbols. Conventional symbols using different colors, signs and symbols to present any information such as mountains, rivers, peaks, bridges, forts, airports, dams and roads, etc. on the map. These signs and symbols are used due to the lack of space on a map to show the actual shape and actual size of such features. So, we are using, instead of the features like mountains, peaks, rivers, roads and dams, etc. Three types of symbols are three types: point symbol, line symbol, area symbol. Students, observe the picture. There are different conventional symbols shown in this picture. We are using different types of symbols of features of maps. The symbol indicates Pakka road. This symbol indicates Kacha road. This symbol indicates bridge, and this symbol indicates tree. This symbol indicates peak. This symbol indicates mountains. This symbol indicates settlements. This is river symbol. This is a church symbol. This is church symbol. This is symbol of temple. There are different types of symbols we are using in map of the features. Next topic is atlas. An atlas is a collection maps usually arranged according different themes. Various types of maps like the world map, the maps of different continents, maps of countries, etc. Atlas is very important. We learn different types of concepts of the world. Observe this atlas. This is atlas page. Atlas book we are see many different kinds of maps are seen in atlas books. This is soils of AP map. Different soils are. This is rainfall in AP. Highest rainfall, moderate rainfall, lowest rainfall shown in this map. And this relief features of AP map, plains, plateaus and hills shown in this map. Okay, children. This is the homework.